Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add a PayPal button to your website at connect.dataczar.com. So first we're going to go to dataczar.com. We're going to click Login. Let's get our email address and our password. That's going to take us to Dashboard on the main menu. So let's get rid of this and let's go full screen here. So once you're on Dashboard, you're going to click on Website. That's going to take you to the editing tools for working on your website. You have Post, Pages, and Settings. And the editing tools for posts and pages is identical. We're going to go ahead and work on Pages today. And we're going to work on our Products page that we already added. So we're going to get back to this in just 1 minute. Right now, this is our AAA outdoor scenes, and we're going to go ahead and add our products right here on our products page. And the first thing that we need to do, though, is we need to get our PayPal button. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to help.dataczar.com, and then we're going to click on How Do I Sell Products? And we're going to go to PayPal, to our Get PayPal buttons, and this is at help.dataczar.com. You can find a lot of help here. And here are the buttons for PayPal, and the button that we're going to use is the Buy Now button. Now there's also a Donate button, an Add to Cart button when you want to sell multiple items. There's an installment plan, automatic billing. There's smart buttons for Venmo, PayPal, credit cards, debit cards, that sort of thing. But we're going to use the Buy Now button. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And we already got the code from PayPal. So I already have that loaded into my clipboard. So right now we're going to go to Products and we're going to go to Edit. And we're going to go down here, AAA Outdoor Scenes. And let's go ahead and add our AAA camera kit. And I don't want that so big. Let's just bring that down a little bit. And let's go ahead and add a picture. So insert edit image. Go here. I need to upload this. I'm going to choose a file from my computer. I'm going to click on camera kit. And I'm going to upload that. And upload is complete. So I'm going to go to My Images, and should be appearing here. Oh, maybe I didn't hit Use. There it is. Okay, so My Images just took a second to load, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on this, and we're going to click Use, and we're going to click OK, and there it is. So let's just scale this, size it down just a bit. So you click on it and you can just do the corner right there. So there's our AAA outdoor camera kit. And now what we need to do is we need to add the code. So we're going to go to the code right here. And then down at the very bottom, I already have it pasted into my clipboard. So I'm going to hit Enter right here and then Control V. And there's the code that we got right here. We got that from PayPal. So they'll provide the code for you. And let's go back to simple. It's in there. We're going to go ahead and click Update right now. And that updated it. So let's go back to our AAA outdoor scenes. And we're going to go ahead and refresh the page. So let me do Control F5. And bam, there it is. There's the Buy Now button. And if I click on it, it's going to take me to Buy Now through PayPal. So there it is. And let's go ahead and tab on over back to where we were. And we left off on Pages. And remember, we were editing this page here. So that looks really good. And then if we wanted to add more products, we could do that right here. You know, we could do our AAA trekking poles or whatever. If we wanted to do multiple items, we would use a different button than the Buy Now button. But So that's it. That's how you do it. Let's go ahead and go back to dashboard, and that's it. That's how you add a PayPal button to your website through Dataczar Connect.